Most people moving to Tampa start the same way, scrolling Zillow, watching a few videos, maybe even talking to an agent who gives them a polished sales pitch about how everything here is amazing. But living in Tampa is a lot more nuanced than that. Some neighborhoods are incredible, some are overpriced, some look great online, but feel totally different when you actually live there. And if you're an empty nester, relocating from another state, or finally ready to upgrade into the next chapter of your life, those differences matter a lot. On this channel, you're getting the real version of Tampa, the neighborhoods worth looking at, the lifestyle that comes with living here, the homes people are upgrading into when they're ready for something bigger, better, or just different from where they are now. You'll see what life here actually looks like and not just the postcard version. And the way I approach real estate is pretty simple. I answer my phone, I tell you the truth, I look out for my clients like their family. Because after 25 years in this business, I've seen how bad real estate can be done. So I built my business around doing the opposite. Around here, we keep things real, a little sarcastic sometimes, and definitely not boring. So if you're thinking about moving to Tampa, upgrading your home, or you just want the inside scoop from someone who actually lives and works here, go ahead and subscribe. And if there's a specific neighborhood, lifestyle question, or a type of home you want to see more of, drop it in the comments because chances are, if you're wondering about it, someone else is too.